Welcome to the tutorial, How to Create a Cover Letter Using ChatGPT. In this session, you will use your own existing resume along with the job description that you have selected. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Select a resume. Select the attached files icon, then select Upload from your computer. Browse to the location where your resume is stored and select your resume. In Step 3, paste the following prompt. Write a cover letter for me based on my attached resume and the following job description. Paste the job description here. Next, go to LinkedIn and select Jobs. Select a job that you're interested in. Click and select the first sentence of the job description. Scroll to the bottom, hold your Shift key, and click your left mouse button. Right-click and select Copy. Return to ChatGPT and overwrite the information found here. Once you have the information inserted, select the Submit button. And it's that easy. You now have a customized cover letter using your resume and the job description. The cover letter is tailored to match the information from your resume with the job description. To use this cover letter, scroll to the bottom and select the Copy icon. Then open Microsoft Word, paste the cover letter, and adjust as required. And that's it! Congratulations! You've used ChatGPT with your own resume and a unique job description to create a custom cover letter.